If you're currently mining Hyra network, this is the time to connect your wallet. So in this particular video, I'm going to show step-by-step guide how you can connect your wallet successfully, right? So that you don't miss this airdrop distribution, right? Hyra AI is a deepin project that have a massive total supply. Whatever I am saying in this particular video is in their white paper, right? You can find their roadmap on their docs section here, right? So that's how you'll find there, so you can go and check it. So if you haven't joined Hyra network, I'll leave the link in the description or the comment section of this video. Then join Hyra network, right? Hyra network mining is very slow. So if you see a lot of projects that have been listing for the past years, or if you check their mining rate, it's very slow. Those are the projects which did well, right? So the same as Hyra network, so it's a promising project. That's how Bitcoin did. They are mining very slow. During Bitcoin mining, I was not in the crypto space, but if you check the history about Bitcoin mining rates and those things, that's how it is. Look at Ruby, look at B network, and the same thing. So to connect your wallet, what you need to do to connect, tap on connect. So to connect your wallet, you need a minimum balance of 1000, which is the Hyra coins, right? You can see requirement to link wallet, right? You need to complete your KYC. So you check here, you can see I have my KYC verified, right, on the top here, right? So tap on connect again, and the next requirement is to have a minimum balance of 1000 Hyra token. So here you click on connect, right? Once you click on connect, you need to download it before. Tap on the depending on the device you're using, which is Play Store, right? So here, which is the app, it's called Hyra One, right? Tap on install. So after install it, after that you click on open. You can see the all-in-one bank, right? Pay and transfer like a bank, secure, instant and easy, right? Spending on management with Hyra. So we have sign up and login. So what you need to do is to click on login. Once you click on login, here you enter the email you use to create your Hyra network account, right? So let me type mine. So after that, tap on continue. So here enter your password for your this wallet. After that, tap on login. So here also you create a pin code, right? And here also confirm the pin code. So after that, tap on create wallet. So here you enter the pin you set. So after that, it will bring it here. So here you can see your wallet is ready. Backup now, right? So you need to back up. So here write down recovery phrase. Tap on the second one. Here you view your seed phrase, right, and write it down. So after that, tap on I have written out down, successfully created, right? It's very simple, right? It's not difficult. So after we create our wallet, what you need to do is to go back to the Hyra app and connect the wallet together, right? So here is the Hyra app. Then tap on connect. So here you click connect wallet. You can see connect wallet, right? You can see it's going to connect together. It is on the base network, right? So you can see this show you why we connect the wallet, right? So prepare for Hyra ecosystem launch, feature point, Hyra conversion, access Hyra One service, right? It's really the upcoming service in the Hyra One, right? So this is what is coming. So gift card will come, eSIM, flight, hotels, AI, and trade, right? So many things is the reason why you do. So tap on buy, click button to continue. So after that, tap on connect now. You can see connecting. You can see connected. Tap on the, you can see connected, right? Our wallet is connected. Let's go to the Hyra app and go and check if our wallet has been connected successfully. So you can see the connect button here again. So you need to tap on this edit button here. So you can see connect Hyra One has successfully connected, right? So without verified your account or completed your KYC, you may not able to connect, right? So it's very important to verify it before you connect your wallet. So if you are here to join this project, check the link in the description section or the comment section of this video, right? And join this project because this project may do well, right? As I already said, the mining rate is very slow, right? So a certain project like that is always do well. So check the link in the description section of this video and join us, right, to let and Hyra tokens together. This is AI project, right? AI project always doing well, as I said, right? So guys, this video was helpful. Consider like this video, subscribe, and turn on notification bell so that whenever I meet new ways to make money and with about airdrops like this, you'll be the first person you see, right? So and join our Telegram channel, join our WhatsApp group where we share ways to make money online, right? If you haven't joined, just join it, right, and check it how we make money online, ways to make money, get daily income. Just check it out and go say bye. Please know that if you are not serious about making money, don't join us, right? So that's very, very important. If you are not active or to make money online, don't join us, right? So that's very simple. So the earlier you join, the higher chance of any more, and I will see you in the next one.